My babies. Hi guys, this is your boy Martin, and today's video is a Tuesday short video, and we will talk about wraps, and specifically I will focus on Can-Am Spyder wraps, so RT wrap and F3 wrap. New product on our shop, marintthevlogger.com/shop. And what you will find out in today's video, because I'm Martin the Vlogger, I will tell you good things and bad things, what to be aware of when applying these, how to do them, but I'm preparing you how to video. Specifically again for RT there is going to be separate video, and for the F3. What are the characteristics, what to be aware of, what to be prepared, like everything about the wraps, and tiny bit the difference towards regular wrap, because this is not a wrap, these are technically stickers. Guys, enough of this. First 500 views, no video ads and no bullshit around, straight to the point. So let's get started. Let's start with the difference between sticker and the wrap. Basic differences, advantages and disadvantages. If I start with a wrap, either you can do a partial design like this, stripes, or you can completely change the color of your bike. That's amazing thing. With the wrap it's possible without anyone noticing what was the original color. All right. Now, the disadvantage of it is 99.9% of us just simply cannot do it. You need to use water spray, heat gun, or at least very, very good hair dryer. You need to stretch and cut, go over the edges, and it's really, it's a nightmare. This one was done in the studio. Another disadvantage, if I may say, is you simply cannot use, or you can, but you cannot use graphic designs like this. If there is a studio, and there is a studio who can print on wraps, it's possible, but it's extremely expensive. Almost as expensive as doing a custom paint job, which is insane, right? Now, another difference is that the foil, and of course it depends what quality of the foil you are using, depends on what type of quality of the sticker you are using, and I will get there as well. When you are hit by a rock, it just simply creates, let me show you something, it creates stone chips. This bike, don't get me wrong, I love this wrap, it's absolutely beautiful, great quality, but you have these stone chips after some time. All right, there are more of them in here, okay, because it's thin. Now we are working with, there is a wrap and there is a wrap, or I'm sorry, there is a sticker and then there is a sticker. I don't work with cheap ass products, I don't work with cheap ass stickers. Proper quality or high quality stickers that we have, that we use, and it's very thick. Okay, I have introduced them on Rykers, that's the reason why it is there. We have a lot of templates for Rykers, it's very popular in the world. And now we are coming with this product line of RTs and F3s. And it's very thick, you peel it off, and once you are hit by the rock, it will, well, highly hypothetically, I don't know, it should not create a damage that will go directly through the sticker to your paint, which in other words protect your value. Okay, apart from amazing look, it also protects the value. Now let's talk about how to apply it, what are basically the characteristics of the wrap, what are the challenges. So first of all, the first challenge is you will receive a bag like this with all parts inside. Now that's the reason why I'm recording for you a video. I will go part by part. So that means front area we need 9 items. The thicker one at the end goes on the bottom. We will do these 3 parts. You're at the end of the installation already, and you will see which part goes where, also with the top tips and everything. Also in an email, when you will buy a custom design, this is a custom design, we have also templates that there are design already made, but custom design, I'll send you a mock-up. So what's the mock-up? Basically it's a template is what parts of the bike we do cover, and mock-up is actually your design that we will apply. You will confirm it or send it to me for modifications, and once we agreed and print it out, you will receive the picture of all of the parts included. Now, the first challenge there is you need to find the correct part, mostly using most probably the mock-up and or my video, and apply it to the correct part on your bike. It's not super difficult, but I don't know, like 50, 40, 30, I don't know how many pieces on this, on that, and all that. Now, how you apply the sticker? You don't use water, and please don't be general. I don't know if you are watching this because you have these stickers from somebody else. I don't know what technology they are using. I'm talking about Marintthevlogger. We call them actually wraps, but stickers. So how you do it? You peel off the back part of the sticker. And it has glue in there, and you can and then you position it on your bike. And if you don't like that, you are like the angle is not good, or you are, let's say, over covering, or you are over the logo or whatever, you just take it out and position it back on the bike again. Of course, do I have to tell you that you have to have a clean bike, and also most probably degreased. I'm using very gentle degreaser, so you can apply it again and again, 2-3 times, not a problem. All right, just use the common sense, not like 100 times. And then you use hair dryer, and as I said, all installation videos or how-to videos I'm preparing for you. General rule is it's 15 seconds of heat applied, and it will stick there, like very good. You can use a high pressure cleaner, not a problem. The advantage of it is one day you will say, or one day you will be selling the bike, or you don't like the design, you would like to redo it. You just use the heat gun, no, not heat gun, I'm sorry, hair dryer. I never used heat gun actually. And you will be able to peel it off. Good quality stickers like this will not leave glue and will not leave any marks that something like this wrap or this sticker kind of sticker was used on the bike. It's also good for my tour and rental agency because we will be rotating the bikes, so we are protecting value, keeping the original color untouched. And not to mention that this is black matte, it's a nightmare to clean it. It looks beautiful, but the shiny sticker, it's much easier to clean. Also, the last characteristic is that the foil stretches. So with applying a hairdryer and heat, you can stretch the foil and cover the areas in case you are, you have started a little bit too soon here, and this is a big piece, and in here you are not at the edge and you are like frustrated. So you can apply heat right over here in this area and stretch it. Of course, there are some limits, but the foil can be stretched by, like this big piece can be stretched by this much, and it will be still absolutely okay. All right. And also, in case you have pieces like this and you start a little bit too soon here, you're ending up here and you have the other side, and I like to have them absolutely like mirrored, because Marintthevlogger has a psychical problem. I need to have things looks the same, like really like mirrored, otherwise I'm woo! Anyway, what it's included in each wrap, I will not focus on the Ryker, but Spyder RT and Spyder F3, how to purchase it and what is the extra cost. All right, so in terms of where you can buy those, Marintthevlogger.com/shop, of course, full body wrap. And You can choose between already pre-designed templates, which like you buy them, and the only extra cost we will send you is additional payment for shipping, because well, the shipping is much more for us more expensive, so that's additional cost, and we have to send it to you after the purchase. In case you do a custom design, that's additional fee for a custom design, which is quite obvious, and again, extra cost is shipping. Now be very careful what is included. There are different templates in the words, and we are using this one is actually not complete. I'll get that. So RT, what do we cover? We cover the front, side, and I call it the shark tail, so from the outside. We cover fender, one big piece here, 3 pieces here. We do cover the whole side, all right, including this in here, the whole side, which is actually the frame, the top, not frame, but you know, the part that is on top of the side body. We cover this next to the side case. We cover side case with 2 separate pieces, and we also do cover top case. This part, one part here, and the other part here. Also, it's not pre-cut, but you have to cut it on your own. But it's possible, of course, to use the top case rack with the wrap using the same size bolts, not a problem. Original by BRP, or this one that we have on our shop. Same goes obviously for the other side. By the way, I absolutely love this. Always live by this rule, guys. Now with this one, it's not completed yet. We have had some struggles, but this piece front is made out of 2 parts. We cover this part, we cover this part. Now you can see only this part here, but there is a part of the wrap that's coming to me, and in our template it will be covered all the way up here. For the fenders, it's obvious it's going to be absolutely the same as for the RT, so fully covered. This one here, this one here, and this one here. The only part that we do not cover is this one. You can ask me why not, because on the bike there are so many parts you can still cover and you will not finish, and the wrap would cost then 3 times more. All right, so we have to sacrifice a few parts. We do cover this thing next under the Can-Am. We do cover side panels and around the gas tank like this. This part goes here, this part goes here. Now you can see here at the moment we do not have coverage for this, and it will change, so it's on the way to me, and this part will be not visible, and it will be beautifully covered. Side cases, 1, 2, 3 parts, and the top case is absolutely the same. Actually, this is the original by BRP, and you can see it, it's still there. All right, what to be super aware. Many people will tell you only good things, but I will tell you bad things as well, because I'm trying to be as honest as possible. The logic of us, like I will have, because we have more bikes, that's my bike, but we have like 2 more here. Try to imagine that there are 2 more here, and all of them will be wrapped the same way, even the hope inside. However, if this would be really my bike, my personal bike, most probably I will not go in a contrast white to red, because you can highly, like very visibly see it here that, you know, it doesn't work that well. You know what I'm trying to say? Maybe I would use something red with design inside, like this green bike. Now white and black is absolutely beautiful. I just simply love it. So this one works great. So my first thing is, think about your basic color when you're doing the design and when you're trying to apply the sticker or the wrap. Another disadvantage is, and I think I have done tiny mistake here, but I'm too lazy to fix it in my bike. It's all fine. Can you see it? There's a tiny bubble. It will disappear over time. but perfection, I would say. Especially when you will be doing it for the very first time, you will make mistakes, no doubt about it. I mean, of course you can buy one piece only. Also, when your bike will be scratched, damaged, I don't want to say damaged, but you know, something happens to any part, we can send you only part of the wrap, because we keep all of the designs, and we can send you for much better money, of course, for the piece only, the one piece that you are missing. Also, when you will be applying something and you will destroy it, okay? So what I'm trying to say is, like, the perfection, there will be some mistakes, like you will be not here, right, like the edge may be a tiny bit different. It's not, like, according to me, it's not a perfection, and you need to live with that. Also, you need to live with the fact that you have these gaps. Me personally, I love that. Like, of course, full body wrap, full wrap that I have explained you on Hub would be amazing, but not for the money that they are asking. And I have learned my lesson here. Actually, I love how Rykers are done. I'm used to these gaps. First I was annoyed, but now I actually like it. I like that I have white and black here. I don't know, it gives some kind of spirit. And same thing here, you need to live with these lines, okay? You need to live, not only that you will see your basic color, but you need to live that the line here is maybe a little bit thinner than the line here. It's because how you position the sticker, and also how you maybe stretch it, okay? So be careful about that. And not all of the parts can be covered, so that's also the thing. I'm warning you, and I'm telling you way ahead how it works. Jesus, should be a Tuesday show video, and it's super long and me talking a lot, but I wanted to share with you everything that I know by now. No doubt it has its advantages. You can stand out, you can create marketing for you like I did, or you can just create whatever custom picture design you like. I can help you to build one as well. The advantages: better cleaning, protecting the value, standing out. Disadvantages: the perfection maybe. And also the advantage is that almost anyone, again, I'm doing the wraps here at my custom shop in the garage, and I'm charging for it, so I should not say this, but almost like 75% of you can do it at home if you have 2 hands, not 2 shovels, and a hairdryer. How-to videos are coming shortly. Thank you very much for watching, and remember, in case you want high quality wrap, marintthevlogger.com/shop, and always have fun.